Today, we delve into the technological evolution of Apple's iconic iMac lineup, comparing the latest M3 iteration with its predecessor. Join us as we analyze the key enhancements and decide whether the upgrade is a worthy investment. Price and availability. The base version of the new M3 iMac costs around $1,299, while the M1 variant costs around $1,287. With such a small price difference, it's clear that the M3 iMac is well worth the purchase. The M3 is a good alternative for those who expect more from their all-in-one desktop due to the significant performance jump, enhanced camera, advanced technologies, and next-generation CPU. Display. Should you have presumed that the new iMac's display mirrors that of its predecessor, your assumption would be accurate. Apple did not make any significant adjustments to the display, as it did to the entire appearance. The 4.5K Retina display has the same maximum brightness of 500 nits as the M1 version. However, with the new M3 family's strength, you can undoubtedly expect more fluid images. So, what has changed on the M3 iMac? Upon examination, the iMac M3's display appeared vivid and bright. While definitive metrics require laboratory testing, I anticipate minimal to no alterations in our test results. Performance. First and foremost, the amazing performance boost provided by the M3 powerhouse, which is twice as quick as the Mon. This increase in processing capability brings up new opportunities for both productive and creative endeavors. The M3 chip is designed on 3nm technology and provides excellent performance while being energy efficient. They have implemented next-generation GPU architecture with dynamic caching with this new M3 chip. It also adds new rendering features to Apple's silicon, including as mesh shading and ray tracing, for a massive boost in graphical speed. Graphical operations are pushed to a professional level on the M3 iMac, giving not just great speed but also unequaled quality. According to officials, the M3 processor has 2.5 times the rendering capability of the M1 family, which is a significant boost for creative workers and gamers. What's more, the M3 processor consumes half the power of the M1 chip to achieve the same multi-threaded CPU and GPU performance as the Mon, making the M3 both powerful and energy efficient. Furthermore, both iMacs include Apple Silicon's breakthrough technologies such as the Neural Engine and Media Engine. The M3 version, on the other hand, is more sophisticated in terms of machine learning and video performance. This new iMac even includes a new Magic Keyboard with Touch ID option, allowing for secure login and payment. Changes to other features and specifications. Keyboard and mouse. Interestingly, the keyboard and mouse remain unchanged. Individual preferences determine whether something is positive or unfavorable. Apple's Magic Keyboard and mouse come with the 24-inch iMac. Choosing a Magic Touchpad over the mouse costs $50, or $129 gets both. Touch ID is optional for $50 on the iMac M3's Magic Keyboard. Touch ID-enabled keyboards with number pads cost $80. Both peripherals work well, but the keyboard may be cramped for long typing sessions. Notably, the Magic Mouse, unmodified, requires flipping over for charging, making it unusable while plugged in, a criticism shared by others. Connectivity. When it comes to interacting with other Apple devices, the new iMac 3 is significantly smoother and seamless. You can easily link your iMac to other devices including iPhones, MacBooks, and iPads. You may use this connection to access your contacts, make phone calls, and scan documents directly from your phone to your iMac. Apple device compatibility has long been a selling factor, and the M3 iMac takes it a step further. The M3 iMac has up to 24 GB of unified memory, which is a major boost from the M1 iMac's maximum of 16 GB. This increase in memory provides smoother multitasking and overall performance. Furthermore, the M3 iMac offers Thunderbolt 3 video output and supports an external monitor with up to 6K resolution, making it an excellent choice for professionals who require a high-quality workplace. It's reassuring to witness the iMac receiving a performance boost with the M3 upgrade. While maintaining its familiar aesthetic, the promised performance enhancements of the M3 make it an appealing choice for those seeking a reliable all-in-one computer. If you're new to Macs or currently own a pre-2021 iMac, upgrading to the iMac M3 is a clear and logical decision. Yet, the question arises, is it worthwhile to upgrade from an iMac M1? For users primarily engaged in work and streaming videos, the iMac M1 remains a capable machine likely to endure for several more years. However, if you require a more powerful system for tasks like video editing or high-end gaming, opting for the iMac M3 would be a prudent upgrade. And that concludes our exploration of the Apple M3 iMac versus the M1 iMac. For more in-depth tech insights, don't forget to subscribe to Tech Syndicate. Like, share, and let us know in the comments which iMac suits your needs better. Until next time, stay tech-savvy.